Welcome to nature.empires, where the wild comes alive. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the mountains, join us on a journey to discover the most incredible creatures and untamed landscapes on Earth. Every week, we bring you closer to nature's wonders, uncovering secrets and marvels that will leave you breathless. Experience the thrill of the wild with nature.empires. Dive into the beauty, the mystery, and the adventure of our natural world. Subscribe now and never miss an episode. Your adventure begins here. The human brain is extraordinary, housing over 100,000 neurons in tiny spaces. While humans exhibit impressive intelligence, many animals also have uniquely adapted brains for survival. Explore how evolution has shaped these extraordinary and unusual animal brains. Join us to explore some of these fascinating examples. Woodpeckers peck hard surfaces thousands of times daily without concussions. Recent research debunked earlier theories about cushioning mechanisms, showing instead that their brain's size, shape, and limited cerebrospinal fluid prevent dangerous pressure buildup, allowing them to withstand intense impact. Being an octopus involves managing 8 arms, each capable of semi-independent function due to a unique nervous system. While octopuses have a central brain, over 60% of their neurons are in their arms, with each arm containing about 40 million neurons acting as a mini-brain. This arrangement allows for independent sensory interpretation and movement. The central brain oversees vital decisions, delegating less critical tasks to the arms. Notably, severed arms can still respond to stimuli, demonstrating their independence, as shown in a 2001 study where detached limbs reacted similarly to connected ones. Bony-eared ass fish. This deep-sea fish has a tiny brain relative to its body size but compensates with exceptional hearing. Its large otoliths, ear stones, allow it to detect low-frequency sounds, and its large cerebellum helps it navigate its dark, underwater environment with heightened sensory awareness. The giant squid has a donut-shaped brain that allows food to pass through its esophagus. To protect the brain from damage, it uses a beak and radula to break down food into small particles, with the radula continuously regenerating to handle wear. Spiders. Researchers from the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute studied how small spiders perform complex behaviors and found that they have relatively large brains for their size. The tiniest spiders dedicate up to 80% of their body mass to their central nervous systems, with some brains extending into their limbs, occupying a quarter of their legs. Their offspring also display bulging bodies to accommodate their large brains. Manta rays have the largest brain-to-body ratio of any cartilaginous fish and are highly intelligent. They can even recognize themselves in mirrors. Despite diving into deep, cold waters, manta rays maintain brain warmth thanks to a special structure called the rhetia mirabilia, which transfers heat between their arteries and veins, allowing them to function in colder environments. Cockroaches are extremely resilient, able to survive without their heads for some time due to their low blood pressure and decentralized nervous system, which allows basic functions to persist. Researchers studied decapitated cockroaches to gain insights into how neurons work. Additionally, research suggests that cockroach brains may contain new antibiotics that could help combat infections such as MRSA. Elephants are highly intelligent, with large brains containing many neurons, especially in the cerebellum, which controls movement. However, they have fewer neurons in the cerebral cortex than humans, which limits their capacity for higher-level cognitive functions like reasoning and language, despite their impressive memory and social skills. Sea squirts, distant relatives of humans, absorb one of their 2 primitive brains and their nerve cords after attaching to surfaces underwater. Studying this process offers insights into neurodegeneration, helping scientists understand diseases like Alzheimer's. While it's often believed that leeches have 32 brains, they actually have 2 main brains and 21 nerve clusters, giving them a total of 23. These clusters, called ganglia, help control their movement. Surprisingly, leeches can swim even after parts of their nervous system, including the head ganglion, are removed, and they often swim better without it. In the end, the diverse and unusual brains of animals remind us of the incredible adaptability of life. These fascinating structures reveal how evolution equips each species with unique tools for survival and intelligence. Thanks for joining this journey into the wonders of animal brains.